Hey guys, what's going on? Joshua Elder here. Welcome back to the channel, and in this video I want to talk about the one thing that is the determining factor between your success and your failure inside your business. So if you're here for the first time, make sure that you slam that red subscribe button, because right now I'm uploading videos on a daily basis teaching you how to build a life and business full of freedom, passion, and fulfillment. And also give me a thumbs up and like this video, because we're going to dive straight into the content. And let's talk about this. What is that one thing? What's that one thing that is the mind switch, that's the paradigm switch and the determining factor between your success and your failure? It's your why. It's why you do what you do. It's why you started an online business. And most people, they will give me answers like, well, I want to quit my job, Josh. I want to travel the world. I want to, supplement my income. I want to make more money. I want to, pay for my kids to go to college, right? And most people give me these sort of answers, but yet most people are failing. And I realized this early on when I was failing inside of my business. After 3.5, 4 years of failing, I'm like, what's going on here? And I realized that it wasn't the external stuff. It wasn't the program that I was in. It wasn't necessarily the mentor that I had. It was me really going on the inside and figuring out what pulls me, right? Not what pushes me, but what pulls me. What gets me up at 5 a.m. in the morning and excited and motivated to work on my business. When I realized that, when I got up in the morning and I was excited and I was vibrant and I was looking forward to the day, I knew that my why was deep enough. But if you find yourself pushing yourself to work on your business like it's a job, then you're going about your business the wrong way. Maybe your beliefs about your business are incorrect. Maybe you think that you have to work 8 to 12 hours a day and hustle and grind 24/7. And a lot of people will say that. I think it's quite opposite. I think you should spend more time working on yourself, learning more about yourself, learning about what you stand for in this life, in this world. Because once you can get clarity on that, it's easier to move forward and take action that align with those beliefs. But if you have no beliefs, if you have no vision, if you don't know what you stand for, you're probably going to fall for everything. Because one day you want to be in e-commerce, the next day you want to be an affiliate marketer, the day after that you want to flip real estate, the day after that you want to do Forex and crypto. And you never really get clear on one thing, and you spend most of your life trying to find your passion. Sometimes I believe passions are developed through hard work and not just found. A lot of people are like, Josh, I can't find my passion. I think you just have to fall in love with the idea of, for example, learning. I used to hate reading books. I never gave myself a chance to enjoy books until I really sat down and realized that if you want to be successful in life, if you want to be a CEO, if you want to own your own business, I realized that all these great CEOs and these owners of these businesses read books. And so I started reading books. And through that, I learned more about myself. And as I learned more about myself, I started feeling just happier, because I was having these mental breakthroughs, and I was eliminating a lot of these limiting beliefs that stressed me out and held me back. There was so much tension around them. And so through reading and educating myself, it was like all this tension was released, and I started enjoying reading more and having these mental breakthroughs. And I just began to become more self-aware. And so I think a lot of you that are watching this video, you guys need to give yourself more time to focus on one thing, to determine what you're passionate about. But you don't spend enough time figuring that out. And after a week, you're like, oh, I'm not passionate, so I'm gonna go try something else. And you're not giving yourself enough time to figure that out. So I wanted to make this quick video for you to get you to think more about yourself instead of your business, because you are a reflection of your business. If you're not healthy, your business isn't gonna be healthy. If you're not clear, your business is going to go in so many different directions. Really, the takeaway from this video is to find your deep why. Ask yourself, over and over and over again. You know, why do I want this? Why do I want to start an online business? Well, to give my family the life they deserve. Why do I want to give my family the life that they deserve? And answer that question. As you get deeper and deeper and deeper, you're going to realize that what you really want is complete control. You want complete control over your life. And like that gives me goosebumps to wake up and say, I control my destiny, not the government, not this person or that person. I have control. And that's what I want to give you, is complete control. So with that said, this is Josh Elder signing off. If you got value from this video, give me a thumbs up, like this video. And if you are looking to start an affiliate marketing business from complete scratch, and you're willing to give this a solid amount of time and effort and really sort of forget about everything else and focus right here, right now, I would love to help coach you to success. I've got my brand new Affiliate Inner Circle program. You can feel free to check it out below. You can try it free for 35 days, and you'll be walking right behind me as I build different campaigns from scratch, profitable campaigns. It's like looking over my shoulder and watching me as I do them. I'm not just speaking from theory, I'm actually showing you facts here. So I'd love to help you. I would love to coach you. If you'd like to learn more, click the link in the description below. And if you got value, once again, like this video, subscribe to this channel, and we will see you in the next video. Take care.